Hi guys, so today we're going to be working on ordering teen numbers. So our goal or I can statement is I can put teen numbers in order from greatest to least or least to greatest. Here we go. So first is our warm-up, just like last time. Count with me from 0 to 20, forwards and backwards. It might seem silly to do it more than once or do it more than one day, but it's a good review to help those numbers stick in our brains. Here we go. Count with me loud and proud. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice job, you did it. Now let's go backwards. It's a little bit trickier, but I bet we can go faster today. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Okay, so just as a review, when we talked about earlier this week, what is a teen number? So remember, a teen number is a number that is 10 plus a digit, or 10 plus the leftover ones. And we have, remember, a digit is one single number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10 is not a digit because it has a 1 and a 0. All the teen numbers are here on the middle of our screen. 10 all the way through 19. Even those ones like 10, 11, and 12 that do not have teen in their name, they are still teen numbers because they are a 10 plus a digit. All right, moving on to our next page. So just a review of how do we compare numbers. So this lesson you did with Mrs. Arendt. So there are two steps. First, you always need to compare the tens place. If the numbers are the same, then you move on to step number 2. If they're not the same, you get your answer right away and you can skip step number 2. Here's step number 2 for when you need it. Compare the ones place. So let's do a couple examples down here. Which is greater, 9 or 19? So we're going to start with step number 1, compare the tens place. If I look in the tens place in 19, I'll see it has 1 10. If I look at the number 9, this is a little trickier. How many tens are in 9? It's actually a 0. There is an invisible 0 right here in front of the 9. So I have 0 tens in 9 or 1 10 in 19. Which one is greater? The 19. 1 10 is greater than 0 tens. We were able to get our answer on the first step, so we didn't even have to go to step number 2. All right, now let's try 18 and 15. So remember, we're trying to figure out which one is greater. So let's start with step number 1, looking at the tens place. Number 18 has 1 10. 15 has 1 10. So those are the same. So now I need to go to step number 2. This time I'll need it. Now if I look at the ones place, I'll see 18 has 8 ones and 15 has 5 ones. What is greater, 8 ones or 5 ones? 8 ones is. So 18 is greater than 15. I can even double check my work because if I count my teen numbers, 18 will come after 15. Watch. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's a way to check my work. All right, next page. So now we're getting on to the new stuff. We needed to know those things, though, in order to understand how to order teen numbers. So how do we order numbers? It's the same steps that we use to compare numbers. So first we're going to compare the tens place. If it's the same, we'll move on to step number 2. Then step number 2, if we need it, is compare the ones place. The difference between ordering teen numbers and comparing them is comparing means that we're just comparing 2 numbers. Ordering means I'm going to have to compare more than 2 numbers. For example, my example here that I'm going to do for you has 5 numbers. I'm going to put the numbers 11, 18, 12, 8, and 10 in order from least to greatest. Sometimes you might be asked to put your numbers in order from greatest to least, backwards. I'm going to put an L under the first spot here to remind me this is where the least number goes, and a G under the last spot for greatest to remind me that's where the greatest number goes. So now I'm going to have to compare all of these numbers. So that's a little trickier than just just two numbers. So I'm going to start by comparing the tens place. So I'm going to look at the tens place in each of my numbers. The number 11, I notice I have 110. Number 18 has 110. The number 12 has 110. Number 8 has that tricky invisible 0 in the front, so 0 tens. And 10 has 110. Okay, so I had 110, 110, 110, 0 tens, 110. So I know it's not going to be the, I know that 0 tens is less than 110. So I know that 8 is going to be the least number. It has 0 tens, and that is definitely less than 110. And I'm going to cross off my number so that I know that I already used this one. It's done. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the rest of my numbers. So I still had 110, 110, 110, and 110. Those are all the same. So now I'm going to have to move on to step number 2 and compare the ones place. So if I look now at the ones place, 11 has 1 1, 18 has 8 ones, 12 has 2 ones, and 10 has 0 ones. So which one is the least? 1 1, 8 ones, 2 ones, or 0 ones? I would say 8 ones. So 10 is going to be my next number. And I'm going to cross it off so I know I used it. I still have 11, 18, and 12 left. So they had 1 1, 8 ones, and 2 ones. What would be the next least? 1 1. So that would be 11. It has 1 10 and 1 1. And I'll cross it off. Now I'm down to just 2 left, 18 and 12. They both have 110, but 18 has 8 ones and 12 has 2 ones. Which one is less than the other? The 12 is. So 12 would come next in my order, which means that my last number, the only one left, is 18. So 18 is actually my greatest number this time. All right, so that is putting numbers in order from least to greatest. It's the same as comparing numbers, it's just that you're doing more than 2 numbers, and you'll have a certain order that they have to go in. This time we did least to greatest. It also could be greatest to least sometimes. So if we go back to our very first page to remind ourselves of our goal today, our goal was I can put teen numbers in order from greatest to least and least to greatest. Now you can go and practice with some activities and workbook pages. Nice job, guys. Bye.